Okay. Imagine yourself developing an application. For example, this fish, Finn. Hi, Finn. Finn is excited and happy to be in its own environment. An application has an environment that it relies upon to run. For instance, our Java web application needs the Java runtime and an embedded Tomcat server. But what happens when Finn is put into a desert? Does this ring any bells? This is exactly what happens when your application has an environmental mismatch. Docker helps your application, here Finn, reside inside any environment with the help of a concept called containerization. A container provides an isolated context in which an app, together with its environment, can run. Everything was fine until that day. A gusty sandstorm blew Finn's little environment away. Isolated containers are fine, but it often needs to be managed, protected, and connected to the external world. Here comes Kubernetes, which provides a robust platform for running thousands of containers in production with networking, scheduling, and load balancing. So even when one of the fins dies, we have other fins to our rescue. Some other developer wants to make some small changes to your favorite fish and calls it Debbie. Hey Debbie! GitHub is a platform that helps people solve problems by building software together. So people from remote locations can collaborate on a piece of software and make it better with distributed version controlling. What happens when Finn is accompanied by its friend Debbie? Now Debbie wants to go into the desert in her own container. We have got that covered. Upon development of your codebase, GitHub allows webhooks that automatically triggers the code building and containerization with the help of a CI/CD tool, Jenkins. What is Jenkins? You may ask. All that was done seems to be nice, but it is tiring, isn't it? Containerizing everything, keeping them in pods, and making everything work? To save us from this ordeal, we have Jenkins. In Kubernetes, a pod represents a runnable unit of work. Usually you will run a single container, Finn's glass jar, inside of a pod, the bucket. But for cases where a few containers are tightly coupled, you may opt to run more than one container inside the same pod. Kubernetes takes on the work of connecting your pod to the network and the rest of the Kubernetes ecosystem. The whole process is automated by the butler, that is Jenkins. Now we do not have to think about Finn's friends. Oh, Finn has other friends too. With the help of Jenkins, the automation of the whole process is seamless and easy too. Our task was to take in your Finn and deploy it safe so that no sandstorm could take it down.